Hello, today we are cooking with fractions. This is an introduction to our unit. We'll be learning today about whole, half, quarter, and an eighth. So let's get started. I'm going to bring out a piece of bread. And this is actually two pieces because I'm going to show you different ways that you can take a whole and make them into halves or separate halves. Okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this one in half. I'm cutting it vertically, and I have two halves. When I stack them on top, they're congruent, they're the same size. And these are halves. Halves look like this. I can take two halves and add them together, and they equal one whole. Okay? Now that's not the only way that you can make a fraction with halves. You can also carefully cut the bread in half this way. It is also still congruent, and they fit together, and that is how you make a whole with two halves. The next part of our lesson would be to take these halves and cut them into quarters. Now a quarter is going to go across again halfway, except for this time we're going to go horizontally. And we're making equal parts. There are 4 equal parts to this whole now. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when you add them together, all of these quarters will equal one whole. Okay? You can still cut this one into quarters. When you stack them on top, you see that they are equal parts. And together, when you add them all together, 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 still equals a whole. Okay? So now, I'm going to put peanut butter on 1/2 of this piece of bread. So I'm going to put it on 2 quarters because 1/4 plus 2 quarters equals 1/2. So 1/4 plus 1/4 is 1/2, like this. And I'm going to put jelly on 1/4. So I have 4 pieces altogether, and 3 of those 4 pieces have toppings. Now, I'm going to introduce one more section to you. I'm going to take this quarter, I'm going to cut it in half. We now have 1/8 of the piece of sandwich because we took 1/4 and we cut it in half. And that is an eighth. If we put the 2/8 together, it would equal 1/4. So that was my delicious cooking with fractions. Now I'm going to go eat my lunch. I hope you have a great day and understand all the parts of fractions.